I had visited our city mall at Ghatkopar, Mumbai, and this is all that I ate at Ikea for lunch. So there were these Swedish meatballs with mashed potatoes, steamed veggies, and jam. Next was chicken tikka biryani with some yogurt and a chocolate cake, along with a apple turnover pie. And to wash it all down, I had even ordered for a Coke. So the meatballs were really nice and juicy. It was so yummy. It was melting in my mouth and it really tasted amazing, guys. And the mashed potatoes really went very well with it. Now let's taste the chicken tikka biryani. Oh my god, it's really tasty. It's so well made and it has the right kind of spices put in it. And this is the apple turnover and it was so crisp, so tasty. I'll wash it all down with a Coke, which can be refilled at IKEA again and again. Now it's time to have my chocolate cake. It was so melt in the mouth, and so all this costed me just rupees 750.